Welcome back to our channel. So today, meron naman tayong bagong video and it's going to be our math tutorial about rational equations. And if you want to learn more about rational equations, stay tuned and watch our video. Rational equation is an equation containing at least one rational expression. For example, solve for 5 over x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over x, where x must not be equal to 0. First, multiply all the terms by the greatest common factor, or 3x. So it would be 3x times 5 over x minus 3x times 1 over 3 is equal to 3x times 1 over x. Perform cancellation and then multiply the remaining terms. The answer would be 15 minus x is equal to 3. Transpose 15, so it would be negative x is equal to 3 minus 15, or negative 12. Negative x is equal to negative 12. Divide both sides by negative 1 so that x would be positive, and the final answer would be x is equal to 12. To check if our answer is correct, substitute 12 with our equation, which is 5 over x minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over x. So it would be 5 over 12 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 12. Find the LCD, which is 12. 12 divide 12 is equal to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 12 divide 3 is equal to 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 5 minus 4 over 12 is equal to 1 over 12. 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1 over 12 is equal to 12. So this only means that our answer is correct because the equation came out true. Therefore, x is equal to 12 is valid. Example number 2. Solve for 2 minus 1 over x times x plus 1 is equal to 3 over x plus 1, where x must not be equal to 0 and x must not be equal to negative 1. First, multiply the equation with the greatest common factor, which is x times x plus 1. So it would be x times x plus 1 times 2 minus x times x plus 1 times 1 over x times x plus 1 is equal to x times x plus 1 times 3 over x plus 1. Cancel all the possible cancellations and then perform multiplication on x times x plus 1 and 2. So the answer would be 2x times x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3x. Distribute 2x to x plus 1, it would be 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x. Transpose 3x to the other side, so the equation would be 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Combine like terms, it would be 2x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Factor it out, and the factor would be 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Equate both the factor with 0, so it would be 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. For the first factor, which is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, transpose 1 to the other side, so it would be 2x is equal to negative 1. Divide 2x with 2 so that x would be remained, so the answer would be x is equal to negative 1/2. And for the other factor, x minus 1 is equal to 0, transpose negative 1 to the other side, and the answer would be x is equal to 1. Therefore, the possible value of x is negative 1/2 and 1. To check if our answer is correct, substitute negative 1/2 and 1 to the value of x. So for x is equal to negative 1/2, the equation would be 2 minus 1 over negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over negative 1/2 plus 1. Perform all the equation on the denominator, so the answer would be 2 minus 1 over negative 1/4 is equal to 3 over 1/2. Reciprocal the denominator, so it would be 2 minus 1 times negative 4 over 1 is equal to 3 times 2 over 1. The answer for this would be 2 minus negative 4 is equal to 6. Negative times negative is equal to positive, so it would be 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6, so the equation is true. Negative 1/2 is the answer to our equation. And for x is equal to 1, the equation would be 2 minus 1 over 1 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 1 plus 1. Perform the denominator, it would be 2 minus 1/2 is equal to 3 over 2. Find the least common denominator, which is 2. 2 divide 1 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 2 divide 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. It would be 4 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer would be 3 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2, and that is true. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1/2 and x is equal to 1 are all valid. So that's it, guys. That is all about rational equations. I hope you learned something today, and we also have our math tutorial about reference angle. And if you want to check on that, link would be on the description box below. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next vlog. Bye!